Hey everybody, my name is Ted Petru and welcome to Learn Pandas. This is going to be an introductory video where I give a little bit of background about myself and then talk about how I plan on covering the entire Pandas library. So let's get started with a little bit about me. I have a master's degree in statistics. I use this degree to play poker professionally. After I burnt out playing poker after 3 years, I jumped into the real world and became a math teacher. After 3 years of teaching math, I wanted to actually apply my math skills and was very fortunate to land a job as a data scientist. After 3 years of being a data scientist, I wanted to combine actually my teaching skills with my data science career, and I formed the company Dender Data to train professionals who are interested in learning the fundamentals of data science. And very recently, I published the book Pandas Cookbook, which can help you develop powerful and efficient routines for analyzing real-world messy data sets. Okay, so Learn Pandas. We're going to cover every aspect of Pandas. It's going to take a long time, but I think there's a need for a series of tutorials that cover the entire library end to end. And the official Pandas documentation does do this, but it is not very friendly to readers, and it uses primarily randomly generated and fake data, and does not put you in situations that you're likely to see in the real world. You can find all my material on GitHub at this following URL. There'll probably be 8 to 10 series within Learn Pandas. Each of these series will have several tutorials on one particular topic. Each of the tutorials will be available as a Jupyter notebook and as a blog post. Each notebook will have exercises with detailed solutions, and this is one of the biggest benefits of these of Learn Pandas, is that you'll be able to practice all the things that you see in the tutorials and get immediately results on with the solutions. So all in all, I'm guessing here there might be somewhere between 40 and 60 notebooks. Most of the notebooks are between 15 and 25 pages, and they're going to have around 10 exercises each. So the major goal here is not only to master the syntax of Pandas, but to actually understand the concepts of data analysis. And you really can't have one without the other. So learning the syntax in isolation won't help you with actually doing data analysis, and learning how to do data analysis without the concepts of data analysis without actually being able to programmatically control the data will not render you very useful either. So a good combination of both is the major goal here. So this is actually not going to be a tutorial on the fundamentals of Python. I'm going to provide a couple of links to free books in the description. There's one called Think Python, which is very basic and very good. And there's another book called Automate the Boring Stuff, which is very, very popular for beginners. They're both free online. So please check that out before diving into Pandas. All right, so that's the end of our introduction, and we're going to get started with selecting subsets of data in our first video.